In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Mailchimp. We'll walk through a simple, regular email campaign from start to finish. So by the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to click and what each step actually does for you. Once you're logged into your Mailchimp account, start by going to the main dashboard. Look for the Create button, usually shown with a little pencil icon. Click that and then choose Regular Email. This is the standard type of campaign you'll use for newsletters, announcements, and most one-off emails. Next, you'll choose who is going to receive this email. Click Add Recipients. Here you'll see an audience drop-down. Open that drop-down and select the audience or list you want to send to. This might be your main newsletter list or a specific segment you've created earlier. Take a moment to double-check that you've got the right audience selected, then click Save. Now it's time to set who the email is from. Click Add From. In the fields that appear, enter the name you want your subscribers to see in their inbox, along with the email address you're sending from. Make sure this name is recognizable and consistent with your brand, because it helps people trust that the email is really from you. When you're happy with that, click Save. Next, click Add Subject. This is where you'll write your subject line and your preview text. The subject line is the main line people see in their inbox, and the preview text is that little snippet that appears next to it or underneath it. Use the preview text to give a bit more context or a subtle call to action. Once both fields look good, click Save. Now we're ready to design the email itself. Click Design Email. Mailchimp will show you a range of templates. Pick one that matches the type of content you're sending, whether that's a simple text-focused layout or something more visual. Once you've chosen a template, customize it with your logo, images, text, and links. As you edit, keep things clear and easy to scan. When you're finished and have reviewed everything for typos and broken links, click Save and Exit. Finally, when you're ready to send the campaign, look to the top right and click Send. Mailchimp will ask you to confirm, and when you're sure everything is set, click Send Now. Your email campaign will be on its way to your audience.